At our house twice. We could have been first place. Wait, but some people don't have the right requirements, so we're good. Ronald's is over. You're over. Ours is chill. I'm guessing a 3 tops on that one.
I'm guessing like 5.
I'm guessing a 3 tops.
4.
3. 3 tops.
4.
See?
I'll have to go for that.
Wait, what? What?
Oh, it was a pig.
It was a pin? Stick it! No, I know where it goes.
Oh my god. How is that still pig? Where's the block? How did it blow out there? It's McDonald's!
Bro, that's for real the definition of a Minecraft block house.
There's no way! No shot!
No way. Yeah, that thing's gone.
I mean, nothing really came off.
Are they still chilling?
Yeah, we're just...
What?